I'm Jack McGowan. I'm 66. I'm originally from the New York City area. I've been in Baltimore now for about 20 years. I'm a very active golfer. Played a lot of basketball over the years, and I've had a knee replacement by Scott Tarantino and now a new hip by Jack Steele. So I'm big fans of Towson Orthopaedic. Big family person. I grew up in a big Irish Catholic family in New York City, close to my siblings, cousins. I'm married. Love my wife, Brenna. I have two kids, John and Meredith. They're great kids. I'm blessed. And I like spending time with my family. As I said before, I love playing golf. Well, with Jack Steele, ironically, I've played golf with him twice. And I just enjoy being with people. I like to get up and exercise, so I used to go to the gym at Baltimore Country Club around 6 in Roland Park. I work in the city as a fundraiser for a nonprofit. And I like to start my day there. On the phone, emailing people, raising the profile of Helping Out Mission, which is the nonprofit I work for, and generally just kind of have a relaxed evening with my family. For about 6 months, it started in June, and again, I saw a physical therapist. I was doing some exercises, but it was getting pretty uncomfortable and pretty stiff. And I kind of knew over time that I probably needed to have replaced. So I struggled through the fall golf season. I'd like to use my hip as an excuse as to my poor play, but really, it has happened. I'm not that talented in golf. But all kidding aside, I knew I needed a new hip. Just going to Jim Groshin, who's my physical therapist, and I say my physical therapist because I've had back issues, I've had knee issues, and Jim's been great. He's a really good friend of mine. Jim has played a lot of golf with me, so he knows my limitations physically, and we just, after a session there, he's like, "You need a new hip." I'm like, "Really?" I thought my knees, my back were my problem, but and then I had a point with Jack, and he took X-rays, and he goes, "Yeah, you have a lot of arthritis there. It's time." Pretty much, it was seamless here. Pretty much decided we need a hip replacement. Even scheduling it was, I can't remember who I talked to, but it was really helpful. It was like, not a problem at all. Just was really smooth. And then just, talk to him. He's like, "Yeah, I mean, you could probably get by for another 6 months to a year, but the pain you have is just only going to get worse." So I said, "Well, I don't want to," and this is probably in September. I said, "Well, can we wait to December? Because, I like to golf between now and then." He goes, "Well, that's kind of up to you." And it was fine. I mean, I'm glad I obviously had the surgery, but pushing off to December 15th really worked out well. And have a knee replacement too. Like when you have an injury, like with Scott, he had some meniscus issues, which he operated on, and he's like, "You're gonna need a new knee," and I would go back annually, and he's like, "Let's wait another year." And I'm fine, like, "Scott, I can't run. I mean, I take 2 steps and I still almost fall down." He goes, "Yeah, it's time." So having gone through that with Scott, this whole process was not foreign to me. Yeah, have it done before with Scott and been at St. Joe's. Yeah, I had a really good experience, and I had an even better experience this time. I mean, it was so seamless. I'm Catholic, so it was nice that someone came by and said a prayer with me. My wife is with me. Eddie Villamata is a anesthesiologist there, and he's a friend of mine. He stopped by, gave me confidence in the anesthesiologist, and it was just like very seamless. Nurses were phenomenal. Everything was just really great. And unlike the knee surgery, it seemed like I was out for about maybe 10 minutes. It was like, "Oh my God, it's over." I was pleasantly surprised about the recovery, how fast I was able to start walking without a walker. Just within 10 days, 2 weeks, I was walking without a walker. If I walked a lot, I could feel the pain afterwards. I know there was a fair amount of healing left to be done, but that was it, just the recovery of the whole hip surgery. I mean, I haven't gone through the knee, which is much more intrusive, and I learned from other people that the hip replacement recovery is a lot easier than the knee replacement recovery. Yeah, a lot looser. As I mentioned before, the back stiffness has kind of gone away. Both Jack and Jim gave me some exercises that work both on my hip and my lower back, and that's been helpful. So I'd say, I unfortunately worked out yesterday, did some snow shoveling as well, because I still have some snow on my property, and I probably overdid it a little bit, but I was a little stiff this morning, but I'm fine. I worked out this morning. I feel good. I feel if I really go and stretch and get a sweat in, I feel so much better. Obviously I'm fortunate I have a friend who's a physical therapist, but like coming here and talking to Jack was so easy. Your office is really well organized. I would say my experience with doctors as far as being on time has been mixed. And we'll leave it at that. The office here runs really smoothly. Obviously, everyone likes Jack here, so they hustle for him. And I just felt like it was a real team effort here. And that made things really, really smooth for me. And a team effort between St. Joe's, Jim Groshin, and Jack Steele was also evident to me that made a much better experience.